What's good, YouTube? We outside. We got the sun out. I gotta show y'all something. If y'all didn't watch my last video, I slid the Mustang a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, look at my tires, bro. I didn't show y'all in my last video. Look at my tires, bro. And look at these. I'll show y'all this side. Yeah, we finally burning some rubber on these. These tires are not meant to be slid with, but I mean, I think that's normal. It's rubber, and I was spinning them in the rain. But yeah, but now that it's outside, y'all can have a better look. Look at this, it started hanging. Whoa. Whoa, the side of my front bumper is hanging right here. Man, that's crazy, bro. Damn, that sucks. Damn, what did I hit? Did I hit something? My paint scratched right here too. Dang. We probably just gotta lift it back into the brackets and then snap it back in. And the splitter is giving it more weight, so it is hanging it down. This side skirt right here is hanging on pretty good. Y'all think this would take off my taillight covers? Probably, right? This is adhesive takeoff. So let me go ahead and try. Attempt number 1, trying to take off the taillight covers, and of course I can't take them off. I need like a heat gun, and I have a heat gun, but the heat gun isn't turned on for some reason. Maybe I should just go buy another heat gun, but man, forget that. There's gotta be a way I can pry it off. What's good, guys? Y'all see right here, y'all saw that? It said like advanced track and traction control lights. I had like 2 yellow lights off. I don't know why it keeps saying that. That should be popping up at random times. If y'all know what that could be, let me know. There's an all black Charger behind me. I don't know if y'all can see, but I forgot when it started happening, but it started happening a little moment ago. Bro, this nigga's in the middle of the lanes, bro. This man, the GT, bro. I think it has to do something with the computer. It might be like a plug or something that's messing up. Maybe a fuse, maybe. I don't know. So y'all know my car is tuned, right? I can use an app with the little device right there. You see the little yellow piece? I use the app so I can swap my tunes, right? Because I got an E85 tune. Right now it's on 93. And the last time I used the app to check for the check engine light codes, because I can also use it as a OBD scanner to read codes. I think that's sweet. But the app, man, the app that they got me, the app keeps closing on me. It's called like TDN. That's what the app is called. All these trucks, man. I gotta try that out again. I'll probably try it out later tonight and see if I could get the app working. But yeah, she be running smooth, you know. I don't be having no issues for real with this new engine that I put into the car. I think the new engine, it came from a thing on the paper. It said a 2021 Mustang. But I got a 2019 body with a 2021 engine in there. It's the same engine as the old engine. It's just different year. And it had like around maybe like 35K miles on it. I think the paper said 30K, something like that. I wonder if y'all can hear the intake, hear that whistle? did y'all think about my GoPro being in the engine of my car and like recording clips of the intake? I think that would be sweet. Recording, trying to give y'all updates, talk about the car, and I really don't have any content. So I'm just gonna create the content. You get what I'm saying? Because the ones who's gonna enjoy my videos gonna enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? Who vibe with me, rock with me. You know, my editing is just gonna get better and better. My videos, my content is just gonna get better and better as time goes on. Look at that yellow light. That's why I don't like sitting behind trucks. I can't see if it's green or yellow or red. I just gotta trust the people in front of me. I need some water. I'm gonna do real soon. Like my next thing I'm gonna do on this car is change the brakes. You can hear them grind, and I haven't changed them since I got the car. It's about to be 2 years. Oh yeah, I'm behind on that. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Hey, y'all wanna get a nice car? There's some things that come with having a nice car like this. The maintenance costs, the oil changes, the gas, you know, if you're doing payments, tires, fluids, you know, it's just cars cost a lot of money, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm young. Not every life decision that you make, not every life decision that I make will be the most perfect dream scenario. There's always going to be a negative or something that you think that didn't go your way. It's not going to go your way. But there's going to be times where things do go your way, and maybe it may not go the way you went, but it actually went a good way, and it worked out. You know what I'm saying? As long as it worked out, you learn from experience. What is going on, bruh? Get the fuck away from this truck. I'm not even going cap. See, this car is just a dart. It's just a dart. I may be able to get a pull for y'all. I won't be doing anything too crazy because I do need an oil change. So, and I just filled up and I'm about to be E already. So I do some small just to put in the video, you know, just so y'all can have something. Cause I don't know what else is gonna be in this video, so I'm gonna just have a nice pool, just so it's versatile. It can go wherever I wanna go. It can get uploaded to whatever video.